Hello there, and then welcome to another brand new video. Now in this video we'll be solving questions on expected value. This is the very first one, so we'll take it very easy, right? So without much ado, let's quickly go into the question. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. So we have our random variables x having the values of 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now its probability with respect to the numbers I've mentioned are 0.4, 0.2, 0.3 and then 0.1, and we are expected to find the expected value of this probability distribution. Right? Okay, so without said and done, let's quickly solve our question. So talking of expected value, with respect to order we did in our tutorial section, we said that the expected value of a random variable is given by the formula x, that is summation of the product of the random variable and the product of the random variable and then the probability of the random variables from the very first random variable to the very last one. What this means is, if we go back to our table, we are going to multiply this number by this. So this random variable by its probability distribution, this random variable also by its probability distribution, this by its probability distribution, 4 also by its probability distribution. Then we add all of them together, and that is going to give us the expected value. Alright, so let's quickly go into that. So it means that interpreting this formula here and then using the values we have, we are going to multiply all these numbers. That is, the first one was, I think, 1. So 1 by its probability distribution. So 1 by probability distribution of x being equal to 1. Then plus, we also come and multiply 2 by its probability. So 2 times the probability of 2, then plus, so 3 also by its probability, and I think there was a 4, so 4 also by its probability. Since they are not going there, let me just copy it and then write it again. Yes, so this is what it's going to be, right? So from the table we are multiplying everything: 1 by 0.4, 2 by 0.2, 3 by 0.3 and then 4 by 0.1. So now that we have written our formula, let's quickly do our substitution. So our expected value is then going to be equal to that is 1 times probability distribution of the probability of our random variable being equal to 1, which was 0.4, then plus 2 times that of 0, which was also 0.2, then plus 3 times that of 3, which was 0.3, then plus the last one being 4 times 0.1. So we now do our simplification. 1 times, so our expected value is going to give us 1 times 0.4, which is 0.4, and then 2 times 0.2, which is 0.4 as well, then plus 3 times 0.3, which is 0.9, then 4 times 0.1, which is also 0.4. Easy. So we now add all of this together. You can quickly punch it in your calculator, and then you realize that you have your expected value being equal to 2.1, right? So this is our expected value. Remember, expected value was just the average of all the probability distributions, right? So at the end of the day, if you perform the experiment so many times, this is what you should be aiming at getting. Right, this is the probability distribution you should aim at getting. Okay, so that ends this session as well. I'll come your way with more of these questions, and I do hope they'll be helpful as well. Please, if these videos are of help to you, kindly let me know in the comment section whatever you want me to continue doing, and then the topics you want me to help you solve as well. You can also choose to subscribe and then share as well to your friends so that they would also learn maths the easy way. Thank you very much and stay blessed.